Welcome back to another day of spring cleaning motivation. Today we are in my kids' homeschool room. Today's video will be split up into two parts. Today's part will be decluttering and tomorrow's part will be deep cleaning and organizing. As you know, I asked AI to create me an accurate, realistic 30-day spring cleaning schedule, and that's exactly what it gave me. So I have been posting a video every day in April to get my spring cleaning done and hopefully give you some motivation along the way. This is the last room on the main floor that we are focusing on. Everything else is upstairs besides my entryway by my front door. I'm considering my entryway, the stairs, and the hallway upstairs all part of hallway day because that's what made sense to me. But as far as individual rooms go, this is the last room on the main floor. I can't believe we are almost halfway there. Today's video is going to kind of have an abrupt stop because I don't plan on doing any deep cleaning today. The whole point of the 30-day spring cleaning schedule was so I don't get overwhelmed, and if I start getting into the deep cleaning, I know that it will take me a very long time today, and that was the whole point of the 30-day schedule, so I don't get overwhelmed, and hopefully if you are following along, you won't get overwhelmed either. If you want to do some decluttering with me today would be a great day for you to go through any books, mail, files, paperwork, any arts and crafts supplies. That's kind of what I will be focusing on decluttering today, so if you want to do something similar, that would be a great place to start. I always seem to underestimate how long this room takes to declutter, so let's get started. It's really hard to declutter in a messy space, so the first thing I'm doing is just picking everything up. I think I'm just going to declutter everything on the ground because there's lots of space. This area has kind of become a drop zone for all things school related, arts and crafts related, and electronics related. I mentioned when I cleaned my dining room the other day that I had planned on getting a media console for that area instead of a regular console table that's like open on the front because there is all these electronics right here and I feel like it's an eyesore and it's just clutter, so I think a media console table will be better for that area and hopefully take care of some of this clutter. Just let all your problems go. This just feels so right. Gotta let it time. Don't wanna let it slide. 반짝이는 see it like such a sooner. Look at all the stars. Tell me where you are. 오늘이 지나면 후회할 따윈 없어야 하잖아. London, Paris, New York, and Tokyo, South City, yeah. I'll take you to the place where you feel alive. 네가 좋을까? 춤추는 너의 발 멈추지 않을 말. 이 밤이 가기 전에 It just feels so right. 빛을 따라가. It just feels so right. 빛을 따라가. Gotta let it time. Don't wanna let it slide. 반짝이는 see it like such a sooner. Look at all the stars. Tell me where you are. 오늘이 지나면 후회할 따윈 없어야 하잖아. Gotta let it time. Don't wanna let it slide. 반짝이는 see it like such a sooner. Look at all the stars. Tell me where. I'm going to put all of the smaller things on here like the batteries, and I have some plugs and even pens and just the smaller items on the counter into this bag so I can do it at the very end. Smaller items overwhelm me and I would rather not mess with it now and wait until everything is completely decluttered and organized. Then I will dump this bag out and go through it last.
life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up.
I'm pretty much done decluttering everything that was in the cabinets. I also decided to declutter, I don't know if I would consider it decluttering quite, but maybe rearranging or, I don't know, putting it in another place. I decided to put this bookshelf upstairs by the kids' bedrooms. They do not read books in our homeschool room. If anything, we grab a book before bed or we sit down on the couch or somewhere comfortable, so I decided to put this bookshelf upstairs by the kids' bedroom. Thank you so much for joining me for another day of my 30-day spring cleaning series. If you are enjoying it here and you're loving this series, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and I will see you tomorrow. To get to know ya, 이미 시작된 걸